Hey girl, hey, it's Kia and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be this gorgeous hair that I have in my head. So basically in this video I'm going to show you ladies how I replaced my lace. My lace tore on me a few weeks ago and then I purchased another one from Amazon, and I'm just going to replace the lace on this wig. And then I'm going to show you how I styled the wig and all of that good stuff. There's a few options for you. I did not show you guys how I styled this particular look, but I did just put two braids and I kind of like just pulled the braids apart to give that butterfly effect in a way. And I think it's really cute, honestly. So if you're interested in this look, you could definitely do so by just putting two braids in your head and then just spreading them apart. Hope you ladies enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down, and let's get into the video. Period.
Okay, ladies, so I'm showing you how I'm gonna go ahead and install the new frontal to the wig. I just have some T-pins holding the wig and the lace onto the mannequin head, and I will go ahead and sew. So in the video, I am using a white thread. I would prefer you ladies to use a black thread, and you just want to connect the wig to the lace. I only use a white thread so that you ladies can see exactly what I was doing and exactly how I was stitching. And you want to just sew the lace onto the wig like you would sew some bundles into a person's head or your own head. Please take your time when it comes down to this portion of like trying to connect these two pieces, because you don't want it to be bulky and you want it to lay flat. So I'm gonna just allow you ladies to watch me go ahead and do so. So now I'm going in with some mascara just to fix any imperfections like my over bleached knots. I like to use mascara, but you can use a box dye if that works best for you.
All right, y'all. So basically, I've already started plucking this side right here. I've already plucked this side as much as I'm going to pluck it for now. Once I put it on my head, that'll be something totally different. I only like to go in about an inch when it comes down to plucking, because I don't want to pluck too much to where it will look over plucked. And then I like to go in and pluck more once I get ready to do my baby hair, so we'll do that when that time comes. I just eyeball it, and as y'all see, this area right here is kind of sparse. It's not super thick right here because this is as much as I pluck. So I just go in and pull. I like to pull the hair that I'm plucking while I'm plucking, because it helps the hair come out a little easier. When the hair is wet, it comes out way better. It's way easier to pluck. You just want to keep doing that, and I probably will go back as far as like right up in this area, maybe like a little bit further. So maybe about this much is what I will pluck, just to make it look as natural as possible. And all of this back here we won't touch. So as the lace get older, sometimes you have to go and repluck the wig. So we don't want to, you know, you don't want to pluck it too much. All right, y'all, so I am ball cap ready. So basically what I did to apply my ball cap is I like to put a stocking cap on my head and I pull it. I mold my hair down with the Gorilla Snide. I like to get the yellow and orange can because it's whole meter 10. And then we're gonna go in with the Bold Hold Extreme Lace Glue. And then I just outline my hairline. And then I'll go in with, normally I have these disposable tweezers that I like to go in with. They're individually wrapped in plastic and I use them on my clients and I also use them on myself. But I didn't grab any. And I'm ready to go ahead and start this video for y'all. So I'm just rubbing that out evenly. It don't have to be like super perfect, but just enough to where, you know, when you cut the cap off, it doesn't show your hairline. And then I like to tie my elastic band around here and let it dry. Once I put my stocking cap on, before I actually apply my lace glue, I like to spray it with some type of potent spray, spritz. It don't matter, whatever you have, just spray it with that. And then let that dry, then apply your glue like I just did. Tie your elastic band around it and let it dry. Once it dries, that takes a minute. Once it dries, then you'll be able to start applying your wig. Here is the wig. The wig, I tried it on, y'all, and it fits so good. So I'm gonna put it on while my elastic band's on so y'all can kind of see. So I did 3 layers of glue. I let it turn clear and then I applied my wig. So this is what it looks like on this side. Because I'm only on this side, I went ahead and did this side and that's what it looks like. It looks really, really good, y'all. So I will have all the specs to this wig linked in the description box. Now that I've cut it, and I didn't cut it super straight, as y'all see, I did like some jagged edges. So I did put some foundation on my cap and I put the Juvia's Place Casablanca. It is the number 450. Also make sure that all of the lace is melted. Whatever isn't melted, if it's too much lace, you want to go ahead and cut that off. Just melt it into the skin. We're going to go in and spray. And we're going to tie. So I want to melt the lace completely. And I feel like the lace is not melted completely unless you tie your elastic band around it. So now that the elastic band is off, I'm gonna go ahead and start parting out my baby hairs. I really honestly only like to do 2 baby hairs. So that's what we're gonna do here. And I just like to part them out, as y'all see, and then take my hot comb, press them out. Like that. So now we're just gonna clip this back. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that straight across and short right there on top of my eyebrows. Just like that. This gets hot so quick. So now I'm just going to curl them. You can curl over or you can curl over or under. It's up to you. I kind of prefer under, but when you curling somebody else, baby hairs like yourself, you might not care if you burn yourself, but a client, you kind of want to curl up. So with these, I want these like really soft. So I'm gonna comb them in place. But then I'm just gonna spray some holding spray on my comb to hold it down, to make sure that like they don't move. So that is one side, and then we're gonna go ahead and do this side off camera because y'all can't really see the side, and then I'll be back when it comes down to styling. All right, y'all, so this is the final look with the baby hairs. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tie my elastic band around, and then I'm gonna go ahead and curl this half off camera and show y'all what style I'm kind of going for. And then I'll come back and show y'all how I curl this side. All right, y'all, so I have already curled this side, and I ran out of Got to Be Glue and the yellow can, and I just got some Pump It Up and I sprayed it so that the curls won't completely fall before I finish the other side. And that's pretty much how it looks. You just want to curl them. I'm using like a 1 inch. I think this is a 1 inch or a ½ inch barrel, and it's from Ion. I got it from Sally's. I usually hold my curling iron like this downward, and then I just wrap. So y'all see, I just ran my fingers through my curls lightly, not too much, just to pull them out a little bit. And these are my curls. This is my hair, and I can flip it over, and then I have that skunk, that little skunk strip, that peekaboo effect. Now I think that's super cute. All right, y'all, so obviously I'm different. Changed my shirt, got cute, put some earrings on, a little necklace. Also did 2 little braids. I think they're so freaking cute. I love the hair. I ended up brushing the curls out. I think it gave me like a voluptuous you know, type of wave. And I'm feeling the two colors on the side, like the peekaboo look, especially with it braided up. I think it's super, super cute. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for coming out today. And I will see y'all in the next one, okay? Okay. Bye, dolls.